Now we have our chopped up apples. It's time to saute them. I want you to take your apples that you have on a plate and heat up a pan to a medium heat. Add a little bit of butter and stir that butter around the bottom of the pan so it coats the pan well. You don't want any of the apples sticking to it. You can use a non-stick pan for this. I like using a cast iron pan because it's naturally non-stick and I don't have to worry about that non-stick surface coming off in my food. So once the butter has melted, you're going to add the apples, get all of them off the plate, and you just want to coat them with a little bit of that butter. And you can let them sit for a few minutes until they start to brown. Once they start to change color just a bit, then you need to constantly stir. But until they get to that point, you can leave them alone, but don't walk away from them.